As a computer professional, I need to keep my system in check at all times. And if sometimes things don't go as planned. With Data Studio, I got all my needs covered without spending a fortune on software that I rarely use.
When my hard drive failed, I lost our entire family photo library. Luckily, I have discovered Data Studio. I've been able to retrieve every single picture and make a quick backup on another drive.
Running a computer repair business isn't easy. So when it comes to computer repair tools, we have very high standards, and Data Studio beats them all.
Whenever I have an issue with my PC, Data Studio has got me covered.
Easy to use, reliable, and very powerful. It just does exactly what you expect.
What is Data Studio? 12 powerful software tools for almost every computer problem there is. Erase sensitive data safely. Recover deleted or corrupt files. Easy data backup. Reset forgotten passwords. Repair PC when the system can't start normally. Monitor HDD health. And all of this for just one payment. No subscription or monthly fees. Try it out for free at lsoft.net/data-studio. Join our Facebook group for news and special offers.